to right choose.
Top 7 Best Belt Sander in 2024.
Top 1.
Makita 9404 4x24 Belt Sander, with variable speed, blue. Powerful 8.8 amp motor for faster material removal. Low noise, 84 dB, for operator comfort. Auto tracking belt system tracks belt without adjustment. Innovative design for sanding flush to wall with nose and side of sander. Long 16.4 feet power cord for easier maneuverability.
Top 2.
Bucktool Pro 1 HP Bench Belt Sander for Metalworking, 4x36 in belt and 8 in disc sander with 1 HP direct drive motor, Benchtop Belt Disc Sander for Metalworking. Bench Belt Sander for metal and wood. The sanding disc and belt paper is professional for metal polishing, and the sanding disc paper is hook and loop designed for easy replacing. The aluminum sanding belt dust outlet can prevent melting, with the knife grinding accessories can be installed on the belt plate and it can be removed when not in use. This machine can be also proceed with woodworking. Increase efficiency. The 1 HP direct drive motor is more powerful and professional design than the woodworking machine BD4603 and BD4801. The motor direct drive design is 25% more efficient than the traditional design. It can maximize the development of 1 HP fully enclosed induction motor, providing constant and powerful performance. More convenient design. The switch box is placed on the top of the machine, making the operation more convenient. The belt tension is adjustable.
Top 3.
Makita 9031 1-1/8 x21 Belt Sander. Versatile for use on wood, metal, and fiberglass materials. Ideal for woodworkers, artists, glaziers, welders, pre-finished cabinet installers, and finish carpenters. Narrow belt and exposed front pulley for use in close quarters or on irregular shapes. Variable speed control dial 656-3,280 feet/min, enables user to match the speed to the application. Lock-on button for continuous operation. Makita's 1-1/8 x21-inch belt sander, model 9031, combines speed and a compact design with ease of use features for sanding in confined spaces. The 9031 is ideal for detail work, including fine carpentry and furniture making.
Top 4.
Bucktool Bench Belt Sander with rotating base and dust collection fitting, belt sander for woodworking 4 inches. X 36 inches. Belt and 8 inches. Disc sander with 3/4 HP direct drive motor with rotating base, BD4801. Valuable package. This belt disc sander combo contains machine BD4801, a rotating base for it, and a compatible dust collector fitting. Belt disc sander, BD4801 is a powerful bench sander equipped with a 3/4 HP induction motor, a 4x36-inch belt, and an 8-inch disc. Angle adjustable work table with miter gauge can be used on both sanding disc and belt. Rotating base. The rotating base is made of low friction steel material that can make the rotating base swivel smoothly. The sturdy construction provides a strong loading capacity to hold up to 110 pounds. The rotating base is 11.8 x 11.8 inch. It can make
Top 5.
Buck Tool Powerful 1.5 HP Bench Belt Sander for Woodworking 6 inches. X 48 inches. Belt and 10 inches. Disc Sander with Movable Stand BD 61000. High power. The 1.5 HP copper wire induction motor is more powerful and professional than most woodworking machine, providing a belt speed of 1,836 feet per minute and a disc speed of 2,510 rotations per minute. Graphite board ensure the sanding belt smooth running, extend the service life. With sturdy stand, the steel stand keeps sanding surfaces elevated over the ground, and the stand is equipped with wheels and handles for easy movement. The heavy-duty body design provides enough weight to prevent walking and vibration during use. Convenient design. The tension quick-release lever helps you switch and replace sandpaper grits as needed without wasting time. Dust port allows a dust-free operation when connecting with the dust collector.
Top 6.
Makita 9903 Belt Sander, 8.8 amp, variable speed, auto tracking, flush sanding, includes one belt and dust bag. Powerful 8.8 amp motor, only 85 dB. Variable speed control dial, 690-1440 feet/min, to match the speed to the application. Auto tracking belt system tracks belt without adjustment. Innovative design for sanding flush to wall with nose and side of sander. Front grip design for comfortable operation. Ease of use features include an auto tracking belt system that tracks the belt without adjustment, and a front grip for comfortable operation. The low profile design provides better balance, and the extended base allows sanding flush to wall with nose and side of sander. The 9903 is easily maneuvered with the long 16.4-foot power cord, and the highly efficient dust collector reduces dust in the work area. An optional sanding shoe is available for precise sanding depth control. Top 7. DeWalt 20V Max * Belt Sander, Cordless, Brushless, Tool only, DCW 220B. Variable speed trigger with lock-on and speed selection dial, allows for ultimate speed and application control with 25 speed increments. Quick release belt change. Quick release system allows sandpaper to be changed easily. Overmold auxiliary handle, allows for two-handed operation and better grip for an easier scribing application. Dust collection, with included adapters, tool-free dust chute is compatible with DeWalt's airlock system or a standard 35mm dust extractor to minimize dust during sanding. Wireless tool control, allows for ease of use when paired with compatible DeWalt vacuum or dust extractor.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.